Hi friends, this is Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MK Trading School. In this session, I'm going to share my overview of the auto sector, basis of supply and demand trading methodology. So let's have a look at the auto index chart. So we'll start with the monthly time frame. Let me mark the supply from where it is currently reacting to. So pretty strong drop-based drop supply zone, and if you see last few months, it has been reacting to this supply zone. And this month you are seeing a nice sell-off in the auto sector. On a weekly time frame, it's making lower highs, lower lows. So trend is also shifting on the weekly chart. So on the weekly time frame, where is the next demand zone till where the auto sector can go down to? So let's mark that demand level. So I have a rally base rally, a pretty good leg out there, a rally base rally demand zone. So some more room for the auto stocks and the auto sector to come down to. And if you shift to a daily chart, clearly we are in a downtrend making lower highs, lower lows. So what should be your view on the auto sector? So I am bearish on the auto sector. I'll wait for a pullback to some quality levels of supply where I can join the move down till the next weekly demand zone. So a lot of auto stocks also exhibiting similar characteristics. So if you have a look at Eicher Motors, let's open the chart of Eicher Motors. So Eicher Motors, a strong sell-off, a nice impulse move to the downside. Do we have any short-term levels on a 125 or a 75-minute time frame to join this down move? So if you go to a 125-minute chart, start with current price, look above. This level is not very strong. If you know the entire supply-demand trading methodology, you'll realize these leg outs are not very strong. So there is a much better level above. It's a drop-based drop formation around 2650 levels. Since it's supply, I'll change the color. So as a trader in Eicher Motors, I can wait for a pullback to this supply zone that I have marked around 2650 levels. Once price comes to this supply zone, I can initiate a short trade with my stop loss beyond the distal line of supply, and I'll use my buffer room to add to the stop loss here. Targets can be a monetary target first, at least for a 2:1 move, you can book out partial. And the second final target would be the weekly demand zone. Once price reaches this weekly demand zone, you'll cover all your shorts. So let me change the color of demand. So that's going to be your final target for the Eicher Motors short trade. Similar formation also in Maruti Suzuki. Let's have a look at that. So Maruti, if you see weekly chart reacting to weekly supply moving down, daily trend, lower highs, lower lows. Where is the next demand zone on a daily chart? Let's mark that demand area. A drop base rally formation around 6,993. So let's say 7,000 round number. So do we have any smaller time frame supply zones to join this move to the downside? So if you see 125 minutes, too much basing here, not a strong level, but you have a better structured level above. Let's mark that. So around 7409, so around the 7400 mark, we have a supply zone. So if Maruti pulls back to that supply zone, that's where we can initiate our short trade with a stop loss beyond the distal line by adding the buffer room. So friends, that was my analysis on the auto sector and a few auto stocks. In case you found it helpful, please do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next overview session. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.